The wireless backup camera offers an easy installation process with its strong magnetic base, allowing for quick attachment to metal surfaces on various vehicles without the need for drilling or wiring. This innovative camera is equipped with a solar panel and a powerful rechargeable battery, ensuring extended battery life, making it an ideal companion for long road trips. Designed with low power consumption in mind, the camera automatically enters sleep mode when not in use, which helps conserve battery life and eliminates the need for frequent charging. With an IP69 waterproof rating, this camera is built to endure harsh weather conditions and extreme temperatures, making it a reliable option for outdoor adventures. The wide 150-degree viewing angle and enhanced night vision offer a comprehensive and clear view, even in low light conditions, enhancing safety during driving. Featuring dual antennas and a stable wireless signal, the camera provides reliable connectivity across a wide range of up to 320 feet, making it suitable for various vehicle types.